She wanted to remember the love they shared for butter, but cholesterol took away their passion until...
I can't believe it's not butter.
I can't believe it's not butter. The taste you love without the cholesterol.
What a work of art.
All right, we're at a new spot over here across from the Apollo. It's in a cricket field. I'm in a cricket field. Looks like the Department of Works over there. Yeah, so let's rip it. Hey, what do you know? New spot here. It's a nice test field. Nice soft grass.
Telemetry lost.
Yeah, so that was fun. No pressure, nothing really to hit. I'm kind of stage fright. Like, I get stage fright. That's the thing. I'm like a little shy when it comes to flying around people, to be quite honest. I gotta get over it. But yeah. It's a nice little park here. I'm glad I found it. It's a nice little park. So I think I know why the Sims like parks so much, because people like parks that much. More parks. Feels good. Hope you guys are feeling good too. Yeah. Look at cricket score. Check this out. Look at this. If anybody's into cricket, leave a comment below on how you do that, or what their position was, or something about cricket. Leave a comment below if you know some stuff. But I know I like this field. I know that the more I spend time in the Caribbean, the more I want to get into cricket. Let's rip again. Okay. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. Hammered it. These little motors hammered it. Alright, well, that was fun. Get one more pack in there, yeah? Oh, no, don't say that. So today was the ButterFlight podcast by Bob Rooney, which I feel like was the big announcement of ButterFlight, because it's gonna, it's been out for a while. But there's always a big announcement, and I feel like that was today. So what impressed me most about the developers, they didn't hype themselves up by name. They weren't really looking for recognition. It seemed very much like they were an organization, ButterFlight. But they did come on a show, and they aren't voiceless, at least, or nameless, because they didn't drop their names. They slipped my mind. But what has encouraged me to participate in the ButterFlight experiment, or the ButterFlight movement moving forward, is the people behind the app. Behind the configurator, behind the software, behind the program, behind the code, behind everything that they explained to me. If you haven't yet, because I'm really slow at uploading videos, if you haven't yet checked this out, go to Keep Floss, Mr. Floss, Bob Rooney. Go to Kabob FPV and find this podcast and listen to it. I'm going to go listen to it again. It's an hour and a half. Don't weak out. Stick with it. I'm going to listen to it again. There's that much information in there. So you're bound to pick up something. And you'll see what I'm trying to get to. The people behind the code, behind the movement, behind what it is, the people behind the software are really good people. They're like, it comes through in their actions, which is how I like to do the good people. It's not what they say, it's what they did already. And when you do that, you're setting people up for what to expect. So that's why I jumped on board, for what I expect. I expect nothing but the best from this crew. So yeah, from this point out, every future build, well, I can't say every, I don't like to speak in absolutes. I'm working on a race build. Race season's upon us. I got to get into it. I just, I love FPV. Anything to be a part of it, So this race season, I'm going to be running ButterFlight. I'm excited. For those of you who did catch the podcast, go ahead and drop a comment below about what you thought, what you learned, what opened your eyes, what got you inspired, what didn't get you inspired. I'm open to hear it all. So go ahead, comment below and let me know. But yeah, great times we live in.